You probably hear me like it right now. That's because I'm on the factory GoPro Hero 6 audio. But wait, there's a solution, so stick around. Oh, is that a little better? Well, that's probably a little better because I'm using my shotgun microphone on top of that GoPro right now. But because of the setting that we're in, this big room with echoes all around, the audio is not that great. It's not as crisp and clear, and you hear the echo in the surrounding environment. So we want to get rid of all that noise. We want to make this sound a little bit more professional. And solution to that is lavalier or lapel microphones, such as these. So right here, I got this cheap lapel microphone for about $2 on eBay. And on the right, we got the PowerDeWise, most popular microphone on YouTube, on Amazon. So I'm going to do a comparison of these two as well so you can hear the difference. Alright guys, I got the cheap eBay microphone here, $2 for this sucker right here. And this is the audio quality of it. Okay, it's definitely going to be better than the big shotgun mic that's going to get a lot of the surrounding noise, the echoes from the room itself, where this only picks up near areas around the microphone, such as my voice. So in order to connect this TRRS adapter into the GoPro, which uses a TRS design, you do need a little cable adapter, which I'll include in the link in the description below. Now let's see how that sounds, and right now we're going to swap it out to the PowerDeWise and see the sound difference. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording.
This is Bullet's Garage here, and we got new lapel mics from Bully Kids Garage, and it's everything about garages.
Whenever you're doing interviews with multiple subjects or in difficult environments where it's noisy in the background, this is definitely the setup. So we're going to take a little step back and we're going to see how well you guys can hear us still, talking closer to the microphone and trying to see if you guys still get good quality audio.
Check, check, 1, 2, check, check, Bullet's Garage. Please subscribe and like my videos.
Oh God. Alright guys, we're back. We had some technical difficulties with the PowerDeWise, okay? I'm not sure why. We had our brother right here, we had the splitter connected, and there was a bunch of static, and that static wasn't coming from the Y splitter. It was actually coming from my lapel microphone. So after tweaking it with it, I don't know what happened, but it seems like it's working right now, as you can hear me clearly. I'm not sure if the connections weren't tight, but I tried it multiple times and I was getting static, and then out of nowhere, there's no more static. So I'm not sure what it was. Very, very annoying. No good. And I think this is the noise that most of these people are commenting on Amazon. They say this is a pointless microphone. This sounds worse than anything. And I think that's part of the noise they were experiencing. I'm not sure why. I'm not sure if it was a cable touching another cable somewhere there. But I think I got it to work now. I hope I got it to work now. So I've been trying to give you this example of sound, and it's been taking me 2.5 hours to even film this sucker. Anyway, so as you saw, the splitter audio was pointless. Sorry, but this is, hopefully, if you can hear me properly, this is the PowerDeWise microphone, and this is how it sounds like. Honestly, I've kind of listened to this microphone and the $2 microphone. To me, they really sound very similar. So the GoPro does a fairly good job of auto-tuning the gain on the sound, so I'm pretty pleased with that. But so far, that's our unboxing, and that's our short-term review of the microphones. Whether they're gonna hold up, whether they're gonna sound good in different settings, we'll find out. But anyway, guys, finally, scratch everything. We're done. Thanks for watching. GoPro, stop recording.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true.